Wow. He's so cute. Wait. Hey life fam, welcome back to my channel. So guys, finally we received our gas, our stove, anyone you guys call it. Unboxing is done now. They're just going to take it to the kitchen and do the other necessary things. So guys, in case you've not watched the video when we went shopping for the gas, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Please check it out. So as you can see, everything is okay, and they're just trying to check if the gas is working properly. Be careful, mama, be careful, don't break it. That thing is glass, eh? The cover is glass, guys. Take a look at this beauty, guys.
You take a look.
Just take a look. You know what I love about this there's a stove. It's just, look at the cover. It looks like an induction, and this is just the cover, guys. This is the cover. Way, that's it.
Good.
Just take a look.
Wow.
It's just so cute. I'm loving it, guys. Let's go to the oven. Just take a look, guys. Take a look. Just look how deep this is. It's so deep. Take a look. Ça va, papi? Comment c'est, you guys? Just take a look. And the dance. Just take a look at the dance. Just take a look. And put things inside here. It's just so cute. Just take a look at that, guys. Just take a look. I'm loving the gas though. I'm loving it. So it came with this plug. I don't know, maybe we might need it and we might not need it. So it also came with all this, and of course the guide. So guys, I'm loving the guide. It's so cute. Let me know in the comment section what you think. He's just so gorgeous. He's just so gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm loving this, guys. Okay, I'm loving it. Just take a look at that. I just love. Just take a look. It just looks like induction. Just take a look. It's only when you open it that you know that, yeah, it's not an induction. Like, take a look at that. So I'm going to be cooking. I'm going to be trying it right away. We are going to be making a goosey soup, guys. So we are going to be cooking. So I'm loving this, guys. Like, I'm just loving it. I'm loving it. Loving it. Just take a look. I love it. 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 Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. big one is at the front.
Don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No,
So we are going to be testing it. Testing, testing.
but for now,
Testing,
give
testing.
it all away.
Testing,
'Cause I
testing.
don't think I'll
Testing,
stay.
testing. You like that? So much for you guys. Party. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Party, party. Party, party. Party, party. I'm loving my you guys. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. It feels good. It feels good. It feels good. Like, I've been wanting a new stove for a long time ago because I wanted the one with electric oven and so now we got it. So I'm so glad, like I'm so excited. I'm super excited, guys. You guys don't know how I feel. I feel so good. So just take a look at that. Let's take a look at it. So guys, I'm going to be cooking. The kids are already hungry, so I'm going to be making food for them. So guys, this one came with it. The mat will be something that you can put in the oven. Let me open it. I don't know what it is. Oh wow, that's nice. Alright, oh wow, look. Just take a look. You can as well use this for the oven. It's good. I'm going to be reading this, that way I know what this is actually used for. I think maybe it's for grilling or something. Let me know in the comment section if you have something similar and let me know what you use it for. He told me it's for the oven. This is, I don't know, I think this is the front and this is the back. So that's it. I'm super excited.